Today we're doing orange mask on a typical wine glass. Okay, first of all, I do a 3x3 cut because the art is 2x2, so I don't want to go too big or too small, so 3x3 is perfect. Another tip would be I would get a stack of these if you're doing a whole bunch of them. Do a whole stack of them and then just throw them in like a baggie, one of these little baggies, and save them for next time. Easy peasy. Just start from the top. I try to have my design in between here and here because that's the flattest part. Just down the middle. I do a little corner here and flick the carrier off. And it doesn't matter if it comes up because you can always lift it up, put it back down. This is my squeegee. A felt squeegee helps greatly. Gets hardly any bubbles. And work from the center to the edge is the best. Otherwise you're going to get wrinkles all over. And any bubbles you have in the middle, use the other side and just squeegee them out to the edge. Not a lot of pressure, just enough to get underneath that bubble. And that's it, perfect. You have a problem with the carrier coming off. So what I do is take your stickiest tape that you have, take a corner, stretch it if you can, and you can pull that away, and voila, there you go. Use your squeegee again, get down whatever came up, any bubbles that come out. And if you do tend to get a hole, like if you scrape it too much, I throw a piece of tape over it and it'll laser through it just fine. And there you go.